No, alcohol plus
It's us.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ceeski and today we cooking some chicken sandwiches with my boy
Kshon2x back in the building, man.
Bro, we finna show y'all the process. We got the chicken in the sink right now. Well, it's really in a bowl, but we got it in the sink over there in the vinegar and salt and shit, cleaning it. We gonna show y'all our little ingredients. We got some flour. We got some slack oil, black pepper, cayenne powder, some obey, some cayenne pepper, some garlic powder, some lemon pepper, salt, and some Creole seasoning, whatever that is. I ain't gonna hold you. I really don't know what that is. But we've been having the chicken sucking for like 20 minutes. So we finna take that out. We finna clean it. We finna coat it, all that. And then we'll show y'all, like, let me wash my hands right quick. Anyway, you can pour this out.
Oh shit, I didn't hear your ass, man.
Bro, come on, man. They out the side.
Damn, why you gotta leave it in the sink, bro?
It's the same thing, trust. Nigga, trust. I watch this bitch over.
Alright, man.
Take it back in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, you kinda need to find something to try these bitches off. This shit you use, nigga. The paper towel is like they found on G.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit is low-key.
Paper towel?
You need that thing.
Nigga, this one has hella water in this shit.
He was all looking kind of crazy, though.
Shit,
Nigga, that shit fun. Shit, you gonna go. Shit.
Nigga, we gonna do it my way. Fuck it.
Well, yeah, this is your video, bro, so you do what you want. Hold on, I'm gonna be your... See.
Alright, bro. Yeah, this shit might not be the most sanitary, whatever the fuck you gonna say. But guess what? This is my house. We gonna eat this bitch. How I eat it. Take all these bitches out. Place them kindly on a nice little, you feel me? Paper towel. Y'all probably like, what the fuck this nigga doing? A paper towel, G, da 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 da. It's cool. Don't even worry about it, nigga. Worry about how you feed your people, not me. You got a paper towel, don't you worry about it. TikTok, bro.
Nigga, gotta keep them occupied.
Hey, top. Alright,
It took me a minute to learn that shit, too.
I gotta put this motherfucker right here. Go press. Get all the nasty ass juices out that motherfucker. Oh God. You done that? You gonna try this off again?
Mm-hmm.
Don't nobody want no overly wet ass. Don't nobody want no overly wet ass chicken game. So boom. Pat your shit down.
They can't even see.
It's cool though. I'll throw all this bitch in there. Nigga, it'd be better if we stop this bitch and flip cam. Stop and flip cam. Chicken in there.
That nigga getting swole. You see that shit? You see the games, boy?
Yeah.
This nigga gonna be buff after football season 2. I'm telling
Mine's
you.
looking hockey. Don't worry, I'm finna be real stocky. Bring them over there. Go. Wash your hands.
This is how you wash your hands, dirty ass niggas. You know what I'm saying? You gonna know. You know what I'm saying?
See, my
We just
process,
put their arms in water and shit.
Bro, my process might be a little, you feel me? A little crazy, a little hockey. We gonna get it right. Gonna put this on get this some lubricant. I ain't damn. That be squirting.
Oh, bro, I'm about to say that shit too.
Alright, get up in there.
I ain't got massage that motherfucker.
Tenderize that motherfucker. What do you say? Tenderize that bitch, alright?
And afterwards, you gotta beat that meat so, like, you know what I'm saying? You really get that, you know what I'm saying? Tenderized. Damn, that nigga queefing. This nigga.
After that, you finna go straight in there.
Bro.
Season.
And what season that is? For the niggas that don't know?
Creole. You feel me?
There you go. Damn, that nigga. Damn, nigga.
Hey,
And that shit is strong, boy. Damn.
if you ain't seasoned, it ain't seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
Wise words of Cash Nasty. Well, that shit got me sneezing.
Gotta let Shorty know, you know what I'm saying?
Oh God, can't get
She
tweaked
gonna
on.
get to tripping.
You gonna be really fake professionals. But you is a professional, nigga. You do this.
For real.
I'm a hood chef, though.
Oh man, I don't sent it to my cousin, bro. I sent it to my running. Bro, I'm stupid as hell, nigga. Fuck.
Fuck out, man.
God damn, nigga.
Don't worry.
Shit.
It's all gonna
Alright, bro.
It's alright, bro.
God. You can never have too much seasoning though. You know what I'm saying? That shit gonna definitely taste good.
Man. You must definitely can.
Shit. God. And they, yeah. Shit, we gonna have cardiac arrest.
Nah,
Cardiac
Cause
arrest.
you gotta think about it, bro. The flour, it ain't got no seasoning
right.
to it. So we gonna season the flour too.
Wait, did you put that shit in the oven already? You did?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. That's the sort. Let me wash my hands, cause I did just see it.
Nah, you supposed to use the gloves now, nigga. Dang, bro.
I'm motherfucking seasoned. If you ain't
Yeah.
seasoned, ain't seasoned.
That's what I'm saying. This
No,
nigga
no,
sniffling.
no.
This nigga sniffling and shit.
Bro, that shit got my nose in it.
Bro.
Put on these-
Cooking with Ceeski, boy. You already know.
That's the wrong way.
Cooking with Ceeski, nigga.
Dang, I don't know how to put on gloves.
Damn, bro.
That's the yeah, like, it's like,
Yo, back.
Alright, after a long struggle, we got the gloves. So we in there. Good. Mix it all up. You want all your chicken to be well loved and seasoned. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that nigga righteous. Oh yeah.
And the smell on it. Now,
Yeah, we should have did this earlier, bro. That should have been.
hold on. You say that.
Them John's tenderized and all. Hey, you ain't black if you don't have things like this, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
If you don't got
you
bags
got
in
no
bags, bro, come on now. If you don't collect bags from Costco, Walmart, all that, you know what I'm saying? Like you.
Alright, you gotta make sure there's no holes. Double bag for safety. Yeah. Yeah.
You gotta get it up. You got the chicken.
You can see your whole torso again. Alright, come on. Alright, catch my shit. Alright, boom. Undo your flour. We don't do no measurements. No doubt. That should be enough. That should be enough. You know what you're There you go. The bag. Look at this thing. No, like a the bag. I should just get my 20. Instant. You can't go to this camera. You can't. Shit. This your flour. You got to see that. Watch out. Just let that bottom line. You don't use it on small side. You go. Fuck it. God. You take a little of this one. It's like this one coming out and stop this one. Boom. Like this. Boom. You ain't season? It ain't season. All right. Don't know from. Don't show you gay. Like we had look work. Look, eat this. Try on top. That's good. Stand up. Look at you work. You want to take over?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, get up in there.
Oh, you need gloves though. You know what I'm saying? See?
Bro, I swear it was not that easy.
Look, you gotta tenderize it, right? This is what you gotta do. You gotta make sure spread like this. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna hold you again. You're not doing shit. Put that bitch in there.
You gotta flay it.
Alright, nigga, you ain't gotta do that, nigga. I'm gonna show you the hood way, bro. Just put
Hood way?
Drop them in there.
Drop them all in there.
Not all. A couple, like 4, 5.
Oh, you wasn't trying to get it all up in there. You wasn't trying to like get it deep up in that bitch.
Oh, you gonna put all of them in there?
Yup, man.
That bitch in there? Spin that bitch. Oh, God. I got this check.
Good cooking. Oh, shit. That thing going to be bad. Oh.
This nigga. Damn.
Nah, it's good, bro.
Fuck it.
Bro, this is good. All right, now.
Look at that. Well coated.
Bro. Got that shit. Now you bring that shit over here.
Hold on. Our oil not done yet.
What you mean, twin?
Our oil? Oh, fuck it. It's not preheated. Hold on. That bitch fake bright. That bitch is not preheated.
Oh, man. What we doing?
I ain't gonna lie, while we wait for the top. While we wait for this to preheat, I don't know what we finna do. I ain't gonna hold you. Probably finna sit down. I ain't gonna hold you. Plus,
Dude.
nigga, cause fuck you moaning for?
What you mean, bro? That's not even moaning, bro. That's a regular ass
You
thing.
not just moan game? Nigga said,
Nigga, it's the same shit. Damn, this shit coated though.
That's what I'm saying. Get you right, gang.
Bro.
Anyways, nigga, you see them bitches? My shit getting real ocky. Fuck around, get a little stocky. Hit the bitch. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Call me daddy. Alright, put it over there. You see the light green? I mean, it's ready to get up in there. Gonna you feel me? Remix it.
When it's turning green, you know we getting mean. Stop playing.
Let me go. Get that motherfucker. That
You already see that thing sizzling now. Put that bad boy in there now.
bitch ain't talking back. Your chicken finna be whack. Drop that motherfucker in there. Instant. Close top. Then we just gotta wait for a little minute. You know, get like 5-6 minutes. Alright, go. I had finished cooking the chicken and shit. Man, I made some french fries on the side over there, something light. But K3, he had to leave. He grabbed one before he left or whatever. But I forgot to pick back up the camera. I was cleaning up and shit. I had to go wash the dishes and stuff. It was bothering me. But I'm finna show y'all the food. Let's see, opening out the chicken look good. Chicken look good. I put my little sauce on top, some french fries. But yeah, that's cooking with me for real, for real. Like, we didn't really do too much. I know I probably did some shit wrong, but I don't care. I'll be at the crib. My food be good. My people eat it, so that's all that matters.